So guys, we need to change our BIOS mode from legacy to UEFI. So for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to copy and paste the command which will be down below in the description. Or you can just type it out if you want to. For me, I'm going to copy and paste it, so I'm going to highlight it, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come to CMD, and then do Ctrl+V to paste it, and then click on enter. For the next step, you want to go into your BIOS and then change your boot mode into UEFI boot. To go into your BIOS, you want to restart your computer. Once it comes up with the black screen and the boot options, you want to click on the key which will take you into your BIOS. Your key might be like F2, F10, delete. You can find it online. If you know your motherboard name, just search it up and you can find it. So now you want to restart your computer. As the computer is turning on, you want to click on your BIOS key. For me, it's going to be delete. And now once we're in our BIOS, you want to change your boot mode to UEFI. On my motherboard, I need to go to the BIOS tab. I'm going to enable CSM support. Again, it might look different for your motherboard, but it might be kind of similar. So for me, I went to the BIOS tab. And now I found storage boot option control. I'm going to change this to UEFI. I'm also going to change other PCI device ROM priority to UEFI as well. So make sure that you have UEFI selected rather than legacy only. Again, it might look different on your motherboard. You might need to go to like a different tab or something. But once you find that, you want to enable UEFI, click on save and exit setup, and then click on yes. And then the problem should be fixed. You should now have the UEFI option in the Windows recovery environment.